Hello, my name is Incompetent and I have tried to live up to my name by ignoring my entire development plan. If you think I succeeded, the end will surprise you. But let me start at the beginning. For my last game, which is supposed to be a AAA game, I wanted to create a couple of models. Of course I wanted them to look photorealistic, but whether my skill is up to it is another question. While I was modeling, I noticed that my PC was somehow quite slow. Maybe I should just have a look at my settings. Or I'll build a completely new PC. Haha, yes, exactly. So first I'll install everything important for game development, which of course includes Unity, Visual Studio, JIT, Blender, The Last of Us. Wait, what? Well, the important thing is that I don't get distracted. No, seriously, let's keep going. Back to business. Sorry. I should first pull the project again and download the latest Unity version. Well, it can go that fast if you don't get distracted all the time. Speaking of being distracted, I just wanted to create new models for my game, and that is what I'm going to do now. And here's the first gun I modeled. Doesn't exactly looks like AAA, to be honest. And it still takes so long to render. Maybe I should take a look at the settings. Somehow this isn't going as planned. We need to get back on track. Or, I have a better idea, I think the gun fits perfectly into our survival game. What the f***? But to be honest, since the weapon doesn't look photorealistic at all, I'll just use the weapon for my survival game and see what else I can improve. Then the video wasn't pointless until now. There's only a round-based mode in the survival game so far. It would be cool if there was a chaos mode. Shouldn't be too much work, duh. Oh yeah, almost forgot, I added the pistol, of course. Shouldn't be for nothing. So I added the button for the chaos mode and adjusted the zombie spawn a bit. And if you wait a little while, chaos! Of course, there were also a few bugs that came from the round mode. Pretty classic, the survived rounds in the game over screen. What I didn't notice at first, maybe because I'm just too bad at my own game, is that the zombies carry the increased health from the rounds into the chaos mode. Something that annoyed me from the beginning of the game is that the zombies also spawn within the player's field of view. So I played around with the spawn a bit and it was an up and down experience. Some interesting things happened. Presenting now the various stages of development of not spawning within the field of view. Number 1. I have no idea why this doesn't work. Number 2. Oh, I think it works now. Number 3. No, all zombies only spawn on the left side. Although, shouldn't Nazi zombies come from the right? Are there even Nazi zombies? Excuse me, can I ask you a quick question? Okay. What is your political stance? Alright, thank you. Number 4. Works right away, without any strange incidents. One thing I've noticed is that the power-ups are only optimized for the rounds mode. In chaos mode it would be too OP if all zombies are nuked. Is that how you say it? So I reduced the radius and added a cool effect. Finding the right effect size is really difficult. Too small, then too big, then too small again. I really hate VFX. I have once again changed stuff that bothered me. The first one was the camera angle. The second was an aim offset, so that you can aim without running directly in the direction. It worked almost immediately. Immediately. Then I screwed something up. Yes, a loop that calculates round-based health should finish at some point. Or not. After the small changes, I actually thought I was done with the weapon modeling. No, with the update. But it looks like I haven't done anything for weeks. I think I should give the new chaos mode a few more improvements. So back to the chaos mode, again. But before I start something new, I should fix some bugs. Again. But how do I improve the game mode? Actually, I already have a cool idea. To make the chaos mode really chaotic, a bit of dynamism should be added. What if you could improve your stats? Like more damage, run faster, higher luck and stuff like that. The principle of improving your stats is also quite simple. When you collect a block, you can choose between a selection of upgrades. For example, you could go for tank or upgrade maximum damage. To show the differences a bit more, the different stat types now have colors. Wow! Because I really like colors, I added different rarity levels with different colors. Now you can clearly see how rare the options are. It's all fun and games, but maybe I should give the stats a function. For example, increased life or crit text for critical hits is very easy. So that it doesn't look boring, I added icons. I think that's finally some progress that's worth showing. In order for the player to get the upgrades, I thought of something really crazy. A boss, and when he is defeated, he drops an upgrade box. The boss is just a bigger and stronger zombie, and the crate isn't really that awesome. Maybe there will be another update or something else. But for now it's good enough. At least it's not a AAA game. And this is what the whole thing looks like. In conclusion, I can say this was a complete mess. I did everything except what I actually intended to do. Maybe next time. What are you waiting for? This isn't a fucking Marvel movie. This is a shitty game and a shitty video with a shitty script. Duh.